In C's lollipops, there's water, or H2O. Water is used to disintegrate the sugar and form it into a paste that is used to make the lollipops. It's pretty cool, just like an ice cube. Pure water has no calories and no nutritional value because it's water. But water has many guidelines relating to contents of certain metals and other chemicals in the water that have to be tested and be approved by the government. Dairyland whipped cream has nitrous oxide inside it, which is N2O. It's used to increase the pressure in the can, which creates a fluffier whipped cream. In Duncan Hines cake, they have salt as an ingredient, also known as sodium chloride or NaCl. Among other purposes, salt adds flavor to the cake and other baked goods. It also strengthens gluten, allowing the dough to rise more without tearing. Pretty cool. There are no guidelines towards salt usage in food, although it is recommended that you don't eat more than 2,300 milligrams of salt per day, because salt can be quite unhealthy when taken in large quantities because the sodium will enter your bloodstream, and having too much sodium in your bloodstream is not a good thing. Next up is Compliments Chicken Noodle Soup. And speaking of compliments, you're the best teacher ever, Mr. Addis. And in Compliments Noodle Soup, there's ammonium chloride, or NH4Cl, and it's used as a yeast nutriment within the noodles to help the noodles rise. And next up, there's Crispy Minis with silicon dioxide, or SiO2, which serves as an anti-caking agent that reduces clumps and keeps your crackers crack-a-lackin' without clumps. And now Boost Original with copper sulfate, or CuSO4. It's to add nutritional value because humans need small doses of copper every day, but just in small doses or else you die. And next up is Wonder Bread that contains 3 inorganic compounds. The first one is monocalcium phosphate, or CaH4P2O8, and it's a leavening agent used to make the bread rise. Okay, and next in the Wonder Bread series is ammonium chloride, or NH4Cl, also used as a leavening agent. Seeing lots of inorganic compounds being used as leavening agents. And the final Wonder Bread series trilogy is calcium oxide, or CaO, used as an anti-caking agent that prevents foods from sticking, just as we saw with the Crispy Minis. So that's the end of the 10 inorganic compounds. I hope you enjoyed it. The links are in the description for the bibliography.